In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary LinkedIn email address. We'll start by heading over to LinkedIn's website. Open up your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You've got a few options for logging in Google, Microsoft, or simply entering your email address and password. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using a secure network when accessing your accounts. Now, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. This usually involves receiving a code on your phone, which you'll need to enter to access your account. This extra layer of security is crucial for protecting your sensitive information, so make sure you follow through with these steps. Once you're successfully logged in, turn your attention to the top of your LinkedIn page and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, you want to select Settings Privacy. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your email preferences. On the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Sign in Security. Click on that to proceed. It's here where you'll handle everything related to your account security and login details, including the email addresses linked to your LinkedIn profile. Continuing on, under the Account Access heading, you'll find an option labeled Email Addresses. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the email addresses currently associated with your account. If your new email address isn't listed here, don't worry, we're about to add it. To do this, look for a button that says Add Email Address. Clicking here will prompt LinkedIn to ask for additional verification by sending a confirmation code to one of your existing email addresses. You'll need to check your email. Grab that code and enter it back on LinkedIn to proceed. After completing this security step, you're ready to add your new email address. Enter the new email into the designated field and click Send Verification. This action will send a verification email to the address you just added, ensuring that you have access to it. Now is the time to log into your new email account to look for that verification email. Open it up and follow the instructions provided to confirm your new email address. Once this is done, your new email will be associated with your LinkedIn account and you can make it your primary address. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your primary LinkedIn email address. By keeping your primary contact information up to date, you ensure seamless communication and maintain the security of your LinkedIn profile.